Happy New Year's Eve, everyone, from Lowe's. Titus is looking for something. I'm not sure. Sissy and Manly are enjoying a roller coaster ride. I spy a burro.
Ooh, a burro? Where burro?
Y'all, they have remote control blinds. Watch this. That's fancy. Manly, would you please put the blinds down? Thank you, sir. Just take us to the blind aisle in Lowe's and we'll have a good old time. Yeah.
Folks, we're out and about today, just doing a little peddling. I had to go over to Lowe's and get a few small boards. They don't carry, here at this Lowe's, they don't carry any 4x4s untreated. Everything's treated, so that's the problem with buying those beams. You know, anything you buy, mostly like a 4x6, what I put in the living room, if you go buy those 4x6s, they're all treated. And I don't want any treated lumber inside, so.
And now big lots. That's right, big lots.
How much is this?
This one is $3.99.99.
Oh, how much is this one?
$9.99.99. They already have spring stuff out.
How much is it?
It's $9.99. Y'all, Big Lots also has the pans with the wood looking handles. These are the country kitchen kind. These are $12.99. These are $9.99. They're really pretty colors. That one's really pretty for spring. And then this also is a cast company, I guess. Those are nice. They also have these True Craft. They have the wood handle too with the speckled look. They have black ones and like beige colored ones here. Last stop, Ingles. We need to get the lemon lime Kool-Aid packets for the punch because Walmart doesn't carry lemon lime. And we need buns because we decided to do cheeseburgers instead of wraps and I don't have enough buns. Okay, we're trying to figure out which aisle Kool-Aid is on. This is like the only time of year I ever buy Kool-Aid just to make punch on New Year's Eve. Sometimes the kids won't punch on their birthdays, but is it on this aisle? I'm gonna have to ask somebody what aisle Kool-Aid packets are on. I bet it's on the juice aisle, like where the juice is anyway. Let's go check that. And we need to get cheese for the cheeseburgers. We found it, I think we found it, Cece. And they have lemon lime. Thank you, Ingles.
Bringing to y'all a Cheeseburger Festival for the new year. Yes, this is going to be a good year. Every year is a good year. We're going to start it out with pork chops and collard greens.
Tomorrow, tonight though, we bring it in with cheeseburgers.
We're bringing it in with the beef. We all want to know how you liking this new stove.
Oh, I love it.
We know we didn't get a high dollar one. We can't afford to be doing all that kind of stuff.
I absolutely adore it. What's that from? The phrase the other night where I said, leave the flowers, there's more, is from the Apple Dumpling Gang Rides Again. And
they'll
we
all
also,
be G and PG.
We realized last
There'll be
night.
no R-rated ones. You won't never hear Fallon quote something for an R-rated movie, but it could be something from
1965?
Yeah.
Tim Matheson, the guy who plays Jeff in the Apple Dumpling Gang Rides Again, is also in Bonanza as Griff. He plays Griff.
I bet y'all didn't know that. Especially the newer generation.
Right.
Y'all don't even know who Ben Cartwright is. That right there is my uncle.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I got a...
And did you know that the guy who played Ben Cartwright. Lauren Green was from Canada.
Well, I didn't know that, but I will say this right here. I don't know if Neil still watches the videos, but I know he used to. I sent him a picture of Ben Cartwright, texted it to him and told him that now I know who he reminds me of.
Yeah, he does remind us.
Neil, remind me.
And his wife, Sally, taught me baton as a child.
There you go. So Sally married to Ben Cartwright.
Happy New Year.
Folks, I'm just sitting over here watching Fallon cook.
Sorry, I hate doing these things inside, y'all, but it's too windy out there for the wax on.
Yeah, that grease will pop up if you get scared.
It aims for your eyeball. You need safety glasses over there.
Wear safety glasses, everybody.
Okay, we got the kitchen cleaned up. I'm gonna get everything ready for chocolate covered pretzels and strawberries. So we have these pretzel rings. We got these from Aldi several weeks ago. And I found some Snyder Snaps pretzels at Ingles, so I got some of those. And I also got this Candy Quick coating. I've never tried this before. We're gonna give it a try. My favorite kind of chocolate to use, especially for chocolate covered strawberries, is called Dip and Devour. Ingles used to carry it. I haven't been able to find it there in a while, but that kind, if you ever see it, is really good. It's the little chocolate wafers. They're in like a little cardboard carton bowl thing. They didn't have it, so we're gonna try this Candy Quick coating. I also have just some regular chocolate chips if we want to melt those, and I have some white chips here that we're gonna melt in case anybody wants to do white ones. And then I got these two trays. They came together in a pack from Big Lots, so I just put different sprinkles in each one. That way the kids can dip their pretzel in chocolate and then dip it in whichever sprinkles they want to use. I'm gonna wash and dry the strawberries and get those ready while the chocolate's melting. So this Candy Quick thing here came in a tray, and it says to microwave it in the tray. You want to chocolate cover some pretzels? You think you're gonna make it until midnight?
Yeah, with you, won't we?
I think last year just about everybody was still awake, weren't they? Y'all, the time is 11:48. And on this year of 2022, which is about to end in approximately 12 minutes, a miracle has occurred. Titus Moss is still awake. This will be his first year in, I never remember him staying up until midnight on New Year's Eve. So at least 20 years. What do you have to say?
Good to be here, everybody. I got to be honest with you. I've been waiting 20 years for this moment right here, and now we're down to 11 minutes.
He also just told me that he's thinking about going to bed, and I was like, no, it's just a few minutes. Just wait. Tyler is still here. Jacob is still here, and something else that has taken us all by surprise.
We got some pizza.
He said he's bringing in this new year, right?
Happy New Year!
We're bringing out the leftover pizza.
Leftover pizza's coming out.
Jonah, can you believe this? We are not alone this New Year's Eve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! This is white chocolate chips. You want to try one?
Yeah. What do they taste like?
It tastes like white chocolate. Good? Okay.
Nice to it.
Very good. We might have needed to change your shirt first, you think?
Oh, yeah. Nah.
Which one do you want to put the pretzels on? This one or this one?
I like the ones with the little reindeers.
This one? For the pretzels?
Yeah.
Here's what we're going to do. You can dip your pretzel. I have some toothpicks right here in this little jar.
Are we making chocolate pretzels?
Yeah, we're making chocolate pretzels. So you can take your pretzel, dip it in the chocolate, and I have these little toothpicks that'll fit perfectly like these. And then
you eat it?
You can put it on your tray to let it dry.
Can I try?
And if you want to put some sprinkles on it like this, you can put a few little sprinkles. See that?
Oh. Let me try this.
Yeah, you try that one. Pick out which sprinkles you want. Which, uh-oh, I dropped him again. He's a double dip pretzel.
That one.
I'm going to be dipping the strawberries while they're doing pretzels. Here you go, Cece. You can come to this side so you can reach it better. Oh, you doing a strawberry, Danny?
Yeah. Yay. I made a one for Sissy.
Here, let me help you get it out.
I did it pretty good.
Yeah, you did pretty good. Okay, put you some sprinkles on there. Here you go, Cece. Yeah, this stuff is working.
Ta-da.
Good job. Oh, Cece, I like yours. Look how sparkly. That looks good for New Year's Eve. Look at that sparkle. This, what was it called? Candy Quick? Yeah, it's working great, and it is quick. Like, these that I first made especially are already dry. This is a lot more chocolate than I thought it was too, y'all. I thought it wasn't going to be enough. That's why I got the white chips out. But yeah, I'm almost done with the whole pound of strawberries over here, and we've still got plenty. We are about to make some eggless nog. This recipe is, you guessed it, from the Gooseberry Patch Jolly Holidays cookbook, the New Year's section. And I guess the purpose of this recipe was for like people who are dairy free but they want eggnog, because it uses soy milk. We're not going to use soy milk, we're going to use regular milk, but we are going to leave out the eggs because I really want to like eggnog. I always have, but I just don't like it. I don't know why. I've just never really loved it. Where is it? I thought it was on page 145. Maybe it's 148. Yes, it's 148. Eggless nog. So yeah, we're not going to use the soy milk. We're going to use regular milk, and I'm cutting this recipe way back. They use 8 cups of milk. Like, they make a lot of eggless nog. We're going to use 2 ounces of instant vanilla pudding mix. We're going to mix it with a cup of milk until it starts to thicken, and then we add everything else. So the pudding, I guess, is what gives it the thickness that the eggs would normally do. So we'll just whisk this until it thickens up. We're going to need a little bit of sugar, some vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. Okay, I think we're good with the whisk now. It's starting to thicken up a little bit there. We need 3 more cups of the whole milk, Sissy. Here comes the sugar. Just a 1/4 cup since we're cutting this in half. A little over a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of each of the nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. Cinnamon. Now you refrigerate it for 1 hour before serving. So we're just going to put this in the refrigerator and we'll try it in just a little bit. Happy New Year. You ready to try this eggless nog? I could not say that.
What I'm gonna do is mix all this together. Punch, eggless nog, broccoli, carrot, celery, cheese, crackers, strawberry, chocolate strawberries. That's really good.
This recipe said 1 taste of this and you may never go back to normal eggnog.
I'm not going back.
That's good.
I'm not going back. I'm staying right here.
We are at 11:59. People are already shooting fireworks out here.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.